This is an extract from our AHK Hero Club. We have calls 3 times a week. Please like the video if you learned something. This one is AS. So let me, I think it'll be okay. Let me launch it here. So you're going to laugh when you see it. Look, and it's going to look familiar. But this is the right one, at least. Bear with me. Go back to pretty links. There we go. So this connects to our database on the Automator. But now I can say, hey, what are my top downloads?
Oh man, that's that's awesome.
Show me those that have over 20 and limit to the last year. So I first ask AI, it is going to go look at the tables, build the query for me, and then I can run the query. And sometimes it doesn't really know our tables. Yeah, sometimes I get an error, right? But you get the idea, right? I can talk and say things.
Holy crap, that's awesome. It converts it into
Yeah.
a valid query, basically. That's
And
amazing. That's great.
this is only the first step, right? Because later I'll be able to say, okay, hey, let's find people who have ordered this and figure out the next, hey, you tell me what's the most likely thing that they're going to want, and let's send them an email. Because that's what this right side does, is sends emails, right? So,
Okay, yeah.
um, um,
Um,
and
I was I don't know if you wanted this, but just to point you in the right direction, I think this is exactly where an MCP server might be of use. So the chat that you're having, that you're clicking Ask AI, could have a tool embedded to it, which is an MCP server that connects to the database by itself. And you can have AI create an MCP server for this tool. And then when you ask AI knows that it has that tool, and then it makes tools requests to get the correct database information so that then it can answer correctly. So that's something that it's amazingly good at. Like that's a great use of AI there.
yeah, yeah. And it's only the first. Now, by the way, which I launched the other one by mistake first, but probably remember this tool that we built, the other version with the client list stuff. Um, it's all V1. So I first had AI convert
Oh,
this tool to V2, the other tool to V2.
wow, that's great.
Yeah. And then once I got that working, then I said, okay, now let's jazz this one up to have where I can do AI to do, and I still have all the same functionality, right? I can switch between tables. And when I do, I have my default queries. I don't know what post should pull up. I don't know if I even have a query for that. Yeah, but it pulls up the post, and queries we've already built. Oh, that's not the query. That's interesting. It should have loaded the template here so we could see it, or maybe it did. No, that was for something else. But yeah, still really wild. And
Yeah, that brings up the question, how good is AI at converting V1 to V2 code nowadays?
it it nailed I mean the window snipping tool, automate my task, and that tool were all V1, right? And
Wow.
and with the little and that was when I was doing a bad job of doing it, right? Like of the approach. But now I'm using VS Code with Claude code in it, and it just goes to town. Members enjoy a sweet 25% discount on everything we offer, from in-depth courses to ready-made scripts and pro services. Tap into over 466 plus hours of AHK video gold, including fresh clips like this, for any time learning that fits your schedule.